Imagine someone standing right behind you, watching every single letter you type. Your passwords, your private messages, your credit card numbers, everything captured in real time. Now, imagine they don't need to be in the room. This is the reality of a keylogger. It's a silent, invisible threat that sits on your Windows 11 PC, recording your life one keystroke at a time. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to hunt down these digital ghosts, using professional-grade tools that go far beyond a simple antivirus scan. But why would you even suspect one? Keyloggers are designed to be ghost software. They are supposed to hide. However, they leave footprints. Have you noticed a strange lag when typing? Maybe your computer feels sluggish for no reason, or you've seen unfamiliar icons appear in your taskbar for a split second. Perhaps you've had a near miss with an account login alert from a different city. If any of this sounds familiar, it's time to stop wondering and start searching. Most people's first instinct is to open the Windows Task Manager. While it's a great tool for closing a frozen app, it is remarkably inefficient at identifying sophisticated keyloggers. To find the real truth, we need a more powerful, surgical tool, Process Explorer. This is a free utility from Microsoft's own sysinternals suite. Search for sysinternals Process Explorer on Google and download it directly from the Microsoft website. Once downloaded, extract the zip file. Then right-click the application and select Run as Administrator. This is crucial, so the tool can see hidden system-level processes. Once open, go to View, select Columns, select VirusTotal, click OK. Then go to the Options menu, click on VirusTotal.com, and then check VirusTotal. You will see the VirusTotal terms and conditions, which you have to accept. This will automatically send the signature of every running process to a database of over 70 antivirus engines. Now, look at the VirusTotal column. If you see any red numbers like 47 out of 77 or higher, you've found a problem. Also, look out for processes highlighted in purple. These are often packed or compressed files, a very common tactic used by keyloggers to hide their code. Even if a keylogger manages to hide its process, it eventually has to call home to send your data to the hacker. This is where we use Resource Monitor. Now, some of you might know the netstat command in the command prompt. While netstat is a classic, it only gives you a static snapshot of your connections. It's like looking at a still photo of a busy highway. Resource Monitor, on the other hand, is a live video feed. It shows you exactly how much data is being sent right now. Press the Windows key, type Resource Monitor, and hit Enter. Click on the Network tab. Look at the Processes with Network Activity section. I highly encourage you to use this over netstat because it identifies the app name immediately. If you see an unknown.exe sending 50 or 100 bytes of data out every single time you type on your keyboard, that is a massive red flag. That is your data leaving your computer. Next, we need to look at your web browser. A keylogger doesn't always have to be installed deep in your Windows operating system. Very often, they sit right inside your browser as a malicious extension or add-on. Click the puzzle piece icon or go into your browser settings and open your extensions manager. Look closely at every single item on that list. If you see an extension you don't remember installing, especially one that requires permissions to read and change all your data on the websites you visit, remove it immediately. Even seemingly harmless tools like PDF converters or coupon finders can be disguised keyloggers recording your web traffic and passwords. Clean out anything unnecessary. If you found something suspicious in your system or network traffic, your next step is a deep clean. Standard scans can sometimes be tricked if the malware is already running active in your memory. To beat this, use the Microsoft Defender offline scan. Click on Start menu, search for Windows Security, and open it. Click Virus and Threat Protection, then Scan Options. Select Microsoft Defender Antivirus Offline Scan and click Scan Now. Your PC will restart and scan your entire system before Windows even loads. This is highly efficient because the malware is asleep and completely unable to hide itself. But here is the hard truth. Even a great offline scan might not be enough. Sophisticated keyloggers are often classified as grayware or rootkits that standard antivirus programs sometimes overlook to avoid false positives. To be 100% sure your identity is safe, you need a specialized anti-malware tool designed specifically to catch these evasive threats. This is where I suggest MalwareFox. Unlike standard antivirus, MalwareFox is built with a focus on zero-day threats and specialized logging software. It uses behavioral analysis to stop a keylogger the moment it tries to hook into your system, even if that specific keylogger has never been seen before. Use the link from the description to download MalwareFox Antimalware. Finally, don't forget the physical layer. Not all keyloggers are software. Hardware keyloggers are small, physical USB devices plugged in right between your keyboard cable and your PC port. Because they operate entirely independently of Windows, no antivirus software in the world will detect them. Take a moment to physically inspect your machine. Check the back of your computer tower or the sides of your laptop dock. Trace your keyboard cable all the way to the USB port. If you see an unfamiliar adapter, a strange dongle, or a flash drive-like device intercepting the connection, unplug it immediately. That's it for this video. If you found this troubleshooting guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dive Windows security tips. Stay safe out there.